Hello guys, and welcome to my first ever English video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and how I do my eyeliner. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Bye! So the liners that I'm going to be using today is the NYX matte liquid liner and the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I just love these two liners and I use them for two different reasons. So the tattoo liner, what I like is the tip. It's very precise and it draws a perfectly thin line for my outer flick. So right here what I'm doing is I'm looking down into my mirror and I draw the flick going from my bottom waterline, and I draw it in angle going towards the end of my eyebrow. So as you can see, I'm just going very slowly, and you can start by drawing dots and then just connecting them. It's whatever you feel most comfortable with. So after I have the flick made, what I do is I look straight and I just make sure that it's the right length. It's not too short and it's not too long. Next, what I do is I am going to connect the flick to the lash line. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my NYX matte liquid liner, and I have this my pinky finger. Yeah, the pinky finger helps me to stabilize the liner. So what I do is I get it just about 3/4 towards ends, and I bring the line down into my lash line. So since I have a hooded eye, I look down when I do it. I don't look straight, and this helps the flick to be visible even when I open my eye. And I don't like my line to be too thick, but I always look down when I do the flick, just because my eye is hooded, and this just helps in giving it that really cat eye look to my eye. And next I filled it in, and now what I'm doing is I'm just drawing the line across my lash line. And the way that I do this is I just press it against my lash line. I press it until I get into the center, and then I just go and draw it and just connect it. You can go in small motions. I just do one long one, but I'm used to this type of liner. You can try it with different liners. You can do this liner, you can do the one with the tattoo liner. I just feel like with the tattoo liner it takes a little bit longer just because the tip is, of course, very thin. And you can tell I keep looking, making sure it's not too thick, because again, I don't want it to be super thick. Just very faintly increasing the width right about the middle of my eye. Oh, time for a quick break. So now I'm going to show you another method. You grab something flat, whether it's a business card, a piece of paper, whatever you can grab that has a straight line. You put it from the end of your bottom waterline and you match it to the end of your eyebrow. And what you do is you grab your eyeliner brush and you just mark a line, and I use a little bit of eyeshadow, and then same thing, you go from the outer corner of the flick and you go towards the lash line. And what you do next is you grab your eyeliner and you just go over the line very carefully, making sure you follow the guide that you use, and you just fill it in. And it's also very easy, but you have to practice. You have to practice as much as you can. The last thing that I do is I grab a flat brush and I apply concealer to it, and I just clean the bottom. And this is just to make the bottom of the liner very sharp. So if you guys want, you can do this, or if it's already sharp, you don't have to, but I just love how this cleans up the bottom of the eyeliner. And this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed my first video in English, even though it's a voiceover, but I hope to do many more of these videos. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!